Nature's Witness Kata. The heavens declare the glory of God. The firmament shows his handiwork. Day unto day utters speech, and night unto night shows forth knowledge. There is no language nor speech where his voice is not heard. The line has gone out through all the earth, and their words unto the end of the world. In them hath he set a tabernacle for the sun, which is as a bridegroom coming out of his chamber, and rejoices as a strong man to run race. Its going forth is from the end of the heaven, and his circuit unto the ends of it, and nothing is hid from the heat thereof.